GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing tool that businesses can use to get more leads, convert those leads, and ultimately make more sales and more money. If you haven't already heard of white label SaaS using HighLevel, what you're allowed to do is pretty much take their entire software platform, rebrand it so you can put your own logo and your own domain on the software and go out and sell to businesses for whatever price you want. I'm personally making over 10K every single month doing this. There's a small bit of setting up at the start, which usually only takes 2 or 3 days. You set it up, go out to the marketplace, and I sell it for between $97 and $497 every single month to local businesses. Make sure to stick it out to the very end of the video to find out how you can start your very own white label SaaS for completely free, and also get access to my free course which shows you how to do everything, how to get it set up, and also how to find your first few clients. You also get access to the weekly coaching calls where my community jump on a big group call every single week, and you'll be able to speak to me directly, literally every single week, to clear up any questions you have. In this video, I'm going to go over the 3 exact features that I personally sell within my white label SaaS. I'm going to show you the 3 main features that businesses usually don't even think twice about signing up to that monthly fee for. So we're going to jump straight over to the computer, and the first feature that I personally sold to get my first 5 clients was something called reputation management. If you didn't see my previous video going over reputation management and how to get it completely set up, I'll leave a link for that down below. Essentially what reputation management is we're able to go to local businesses and help them get more positive Google reviews, but we're able to internalize all the negative reviews so that business stays ranking as high as possible on Google. This means that they don't need to spend hundreds every single month to pay for Google ads. They can rank to the very top. This does it organically over the course of a few months. So eventually they'll be the top business in their area, all thanks to you. I usually sold this for between $97 and $297 every month. Again, it's completely up to you, whatever you want to sell this for, but this one feature alone easily sells for $97 to $297 every single month. It's extremely simple to set up. Just check out my previous video. The second feature that I like to sell within HighLevel was the funnel and website builder. If you head over to sites, there's literally thousands and thousands and thousands of website and funnel templates that you can use and get them up and running for clients in under 2 hours. If you were to use any other website builder out there like WordPress, it usually takes you a few days to get everything completely configured and set up with all the SEO metadata and everything like that. But with the HighLevel builder, it's completely all set up for you. Can you imagine the amount of time this is going to save you? It literally takes 2 hours to set up and configure a whole website, and with all these templates right here, you can literally just choose any of them and get them up and running. And the third and final feature that I like to sell is something called SMS Marketing. For example, we would go to a restaurant and take their customer list and send them deals every single week. So for example, we could do maybe a 20% off meal during the weekend. All you do is take their newsletter list, send them out messages once a week. Any more than that, and it usually leads to a lot of spam. You let their customers know about the current promotion that's going on, and you're able to start generating them a lot of extra revenue every single week. And before you ask, if your client doesn't already have a newsletter list, you can literally just set up a simple form and get it up and running for them. It's so simple to set this up. It's literally just a 1-step workflow automation right here. There's no triggers in SMS. We pretty much just have, hey, contact first name. We're currently running a 20% off promotion for this weekend only. Simply show us this message at the door and it'll be automatically applied at checkout. We send this out. If you were to sell this for $197 a month, it literally only takes 1 extra customer every single week at €50 a table to completely cover the software subscription. By the way, the results will be a lot higher than 1 a week depending on the size of their newsletter list. If you want to start your own white label SaaS, I have an extended 30-day free trial link down below. This will give you enough time to get it completely set up and also get your first few clients. There's 0 risk. It's completely free for the first 30 days, and it's up to you if you want to keep using the software or not. If you do sign up using the link below, reach out to me on Instagram. I'll leave the link for that also down below. Let me know that you signed up and I'll send you over the Start Your SaaS course for completely free. This will show you how to get everything completely set up, configured, and all the ways that we use to get a ton of clients every single month. Everything's completely automated, including our outreach. We send around 5,000 to 10,000 cold emails every single month, and I don't personally send any of them. So if you are interested in finding out how to do that, simply sign up for your free 30-day trial down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.